Did you know the first commercial Bitcoin transaction was for pizza? Yes, you heard it right. Picture this: a sunny day in Florida. The date is May 22nd, 2010. A man craving for some hot and cheesy Papa John's pizzas decided to make history. He didn't reach for his wallet, but instead he paid with 10,000 Bitcoins. At that time, those Bitcoins were worth around $40, barely enough for 2 large pizzas. Fast forward to today, that seemingly small amount of Bitcoin used for a simple pizza transaction has skyrocketed in value. If we translate those 10,000 Bitcoins to today's market value, we're looking at more than $190 million. That's a lot of dough, and we're not talking about the pizza kind. It's a tale of the humble beginnings of Bitcoin transactions, a story that serves as a testament to the potential of cryptocurrencies. Imagine having a pizza that could make you a millionaire today. Did you know that Nigeria is Africa's largest crypto market? It's true. This West African nation has taken a leading role in the cryptocurrency world. With the naira, Nigeria's traditional currency, constantly depreciating, many Nigerians have found a more reliable store of value in digital currencies. This shift towards cryptocurrencies isn't just a trend, but a necessity for many. The country is bustling with over 50% of its population trading crypto every month. That's a significant portion of people turning to digital currencies over traditional fiat cash. Cryptocurrencies offer Nigerians a way to circumvent the economic instability that has long plagued their nation. It provides a level of financial security and independence that is hard to achieve with a volatile national currency. In the world of cryptocurrencies, Nigeria isn't just participating, it's leading the charge. In the face of economic instability, cryptocurrencies offer a beacon of hope. Have you ever heard of NFTs and wondered if they are cryptocurrencies? Well, it's not exactly that simple. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have indeed gained substantial popularity in 2021, rapidly becoming a significant part of the digital asset conversation. But here's the catch. They're not quite like your typical cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be divided into smaller units, NFTs are unique. They can't be broken down or replicated, much like an original work of art or a rare collectible. This uniqueness is what gives NFTs their value. Think of them as digital deeds of ownership, representing a particular item or piece of content. From digital art and music to virtual real estate and even tweets, NFTs are being used to commodify the intangible, creating a whole new market in the process. NFTs are redefining the concept of value in the digital world. This evolution of value is just yet another fascinating development in the ever-evolving world of digital assets. Do you know who created Bitcoin? Well, neither does anyone else. The most valuable and influential cryptocurrency was brought into this world by an enigma, a mystery cloaked in the shadows of the internet. The creator, or perhaps creators, of Bitcoin is known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite numerous attempts to unravel this mystery, the true identity of Satoshi remains hidden. Some speculate that it's a single genius. Others theorize a group of skilled programmers. Yet all these theories are mere conjecture, lacking concrete evidence. Satoshi Nakamoto, whoever or whatever they may be, released the Bitcoin white paper in 2008 and mined the first block of Bitcoin, the Genesis block, in 2009. Then, in 2010, Nakamoto vanished from the online world, leaving behind a revolutionary technology and a mystery that continues to baffle. The creator of Bitcoin remains as elusive as the future of cryptocurrencies.